So here is a short introduction on how to use Distant Lab for those that are not yet familiar with this one. You need to open the browser. I suggest you to use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome because there are some glitches with Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge. I definitely do not suggest to use them. Just use one of those freely available Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. The address is given for you in the laboratory instruction, but here it's just distant.roboticlab.eu. And when you get to the front page, just go into the login. Even if you don't have your credentials yet, there is a register button at the bottom, so click the register link. Create a user for you, providing user your real name. Please provide your real name just to let me identify you later on, and email address, and also need to validate you're a human, not a robot. You will have a password emailed to you. It's a little bit different than the regular system. When you need to activate here, it is the way it works. Once you already have your password, just log on. Mine is here, so I'm just logging in. And now when you're in the system, logged in, you should have an information here on the right hand side that you have been logged in successfully. And then you go to the labs, Distant Lab, and then you need to book a device. So scroll to the devices and go down to the section with the devices 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You will use one of those 4 devices here. You need to book one available. It doesn't really matter which one you book, because the features they offer are, for your courses, they are the same features for everyone. So I will try to book device number 1. I just jump into the device, then I click book, and I look whether I'm available to book this device at the moment. It seems to be pretty free right now, so I'll book it here. Just mark it with your mouse, scroll up, and click save. And now all the devices you book, they are available here. See, I was using some other devices. You will see all your bookings for one day here. They will disappear the following day. So we click the device, and here it opens the browser, where you can see the view from the camera, and then you can create your files here. So you can create a new file. Please remember, a new file should have an extension .cpp, C++. That's important to put it there. I get some already predefined files. For the visual one, I will choose one pretty complex one. You can use any C++ statement that is regular. The libraries that were pointed in the laboratory instruction. Whenever you are ready with your code, you click compile, and you will instantly see some results in the log window in the bottom. When it's successful, then you can click upload. So you click on upload, and now this device communicates from the server that is located in Estonia to our devices that are located at our university, and uploads the firmware. It will take a while just to have this communication, so please be patient, but finally you will have your firmware uploaded. In case you are stuck, you can click reset here, so you can then reboot your device manually.